Welcome back, guys. Got something exciting to show you guys today. Since 2018, I've been filming all my camping videos with my GoPro 7. And after 7 years, it's time for an upgrade. And in this box is my newest camera. Let's open it up and see what I got. All right, so the camera that I got is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I wanted a small camera because that way I can mount the camera on the handlebars, the chest mount, and my helmet. And you know, for motorcycle camping, the less you pack, the better. I also got a bunch of accessory with it. Got the helmet chin clip. This is the handlebar kit. This is the ball joint adapter mount. Got the chest mount, the chin mount for the helmet, the DJI mini mic, lens, and lastly, ND filters. This is everything that I got. All right, so in this box, it comes with a USB charging cable, battery case with 3 batteries, a selfie stick, which is pretty long, all the mounting hardware, the camera itself, case. Here's a size comparison of the GoPro and the DJI camera. As you can see, this one is a bit wider. Let's pop in the battery. So there's 2 screens that you can see. Both are touchscreen. It's nice because you can see what you're filming. Really good for vlogging. This one shoots at 4K at 120 frames per second, 40 megapixel for photos. It has subject centering and tracking. Four hours battery runtime shooting at 1080 and 200 minutes runtime with 4K. Another feature I like about this camera is the built-in storage. It comes with a 47 gigabyte of built-in storage. You can also add a memory card in there as well. There's a slot right there for memory card. Let's check out the modes. Time lapse, slow motion, subject tracking. You got super night mode, video, and photo. The user interface is very simple, straightforward. All right, let's go test the super night mode. I really like the dynamic range of this camera. It does a great job balancing bright and dark areas, keeping colors clear, even in shadows and bright light. All right, next I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to connect the DJI Mini mic to the camera. First, turn on the camera. So right now the mic is not connected. Open this up, swipe down, go to settings, wireless mic, and click on TX1. All right, now it's connected. And you can tell that's connected. Go back to the home screen. And you can see that green line right there. When that green line pops up like that, it means that the mic is connected. So the cool thing about the camera and this mic is that you don't have to manually connect it every time. The camera remembers that it's connected. For example, I'm gonna close this and then turn off the camera. Open it up, take it out, close it, and it should connect automatically. You can tell that it's connected by that green line right there. So now let's go test it out with the mic and without the mic. All right, right now I'm outside. It's pretty windy. This is me not using the external mic. Now I'm using the external mic with the wind muff on. Sounds a lot better. No wind noise. A pretty cool feature that's underrated is the magnetic mount. Super solid. Overall, I really like this camera. It's small and lightweight, but packed with a ton of great features. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to use, and the image quality is impressive. I'm especially excited to bring this on the annual Moto camping trip. The subject tracking is a game changer when you film by yourself, and the built-in storage is a huge plus. Add in the long battery life, waterproof design, and 4K recording. And it's definitely a camera I recommend, especially at this price point. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.